So hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain this side, and today I'll be teaching you how to drape a Bandhani Saree which is half crush and half open. So this is the Bandhani Saree, and from this side it's open. As I told you, I'm teaching you how to drape a saree which is half crush and half open. So the crush part is on the Palla and this is the open part. So you just do your basic tuck, and I'm just finishing off with my tuck. The key to wear a perfect Bandhani saree is don't pull the saree too much. I mean, just let it go as per the flow, because if you pull too much then you open your bandhani. After you've done that, see, this is the crush part. This is full open. I mean, till here they've kept it full open, and beyond this it's crushed. So the crush part, what you do is come and tuck it here and tuck the rest also like this. Okay, after that what you do, you start making pleats of your see, this is how you make pleats. After you've done this, I always request you all to add a safety pin here so that the pin, the pleat doesn't go haywire. So after you've done, come here and just remove this part of the saree and tuck it right below your navel. This. So after you've tucked the whole pleat inside, what you have to do is, this fabric that we left here goes in. And you have to tuck this fabric from here with the other fabrics. This way. And take this . Rest it on your shoulders. Pull as much as you can from here. Now after you've done this, just take this, place it on your shoulders and add a pin behind. Normally when you're doing a pleated saree, you put the pin on the shoulders, on top, I mean right at the shoulder joint. But when you're doing an open palla, you put it little behind. After you've done that, just take the saree from here and rest this on your arms and you're good to go.